The world was moving at a lightning fast pace. Each day brought in a new market opportunity. The focus was on profits as the market continuously skyrocketed. But in March 2020, the script flipped and time stopped as the pandemic took the world by a storm. Now, the world is in a constant flux. The known is replaced by the unknown as certainty dissipates into thin air.
To unravel the secret behind success, in this rapidly transforming world of business, we put together the pieces of the puzzle and form sustainable and meaningful strategies. Consulere, the consulting club of IIM Sirmaur, and Spinmasters, the strategy club of IIM Sirmaur, unite to present to you Sampreshan as we take a deep dive into the theme Nowcasting versus forecasting.